Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Beam work fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi-Fi? Just pins or shows an error? Here's the fix from your iPhone settings. First, go to your settings app and then tap Wi-Fi. Then, find your connected network at the top with the blue check mark. Tap the letter I in a circle next to your network's name. Tap Forget this network and confirm. Now, go back and toggle the Wi-Fi icon at the very top off and then wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Your network will reappear. Tap on it and enter your password to reconnect it completely fresh. This clears a broken network session that was causing Beam's connection to fail. After reconnecting, type Beam again. If it still fails on this specific Wi-Fi, go to your settings, search for Beam, and confirm that Wi-Fi is not restricted under the app's data permissions. Some home routers have content filtering that blocks newer fintech domains. If you are still having problems only on one specific network, switching to mobile data for Beam's payments is the quickest workaround. So all you've got to do is go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect it fresh, check Beam's data permissions, connection restored, and that's it. Subscribe.